English Kazakh. What is, equals.
degen.
Welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the Kazakh question, what is? Picture a chalkboard with a giant question mark, and you whisper the magic key.
degen.
A talking dictionary waddles by, shouting only one line.
degen.
Then it answers itself. Welcome aboard. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask it clearly, quickly, and confidently. Goal. Say, what is, as.
degen.
In class, we ask, what is?
Сабақта біз деген деп сұраймыз.
When you read a new term, you write.
Жаңа термин оқысам деген не деп жазамын.
During a tour, you point and ask.
Экскурсияда мен нұсқап деген не деп сұраймын.
Pronunciation and rhythm. Let's get it in your ear and on your tongue. Say it slowly.
degen.
Degen. Movement cue. Tap your temple twice, point outward, and say.
degen.
Mnemonic. In, define, nudges you to remember.
degen.
Rhyme it. When you don't know, just say.
degen.
Answers on the way. Mini dialogue at the museum. A quick, funny scene to lock it in. Guide. Please ask if you have questions. You, about this.
Мынау туралы деген не?
Guide. Great question. It's a time-traveling teapot. Also, nice Kazakh. You, thanks. My secret is asking.
degen.
A lot. Speed drill. You and me, quickfire, say it out loud. Ask in Kazakh. What is love? Answer.
Махаббат деген не?
Ask in Kazakh. What is energy? Answer.
Энергия деген не?
Ask in Kazakh. What is culture? Answer.
Мәдениет деген не?
Ask in Kazakh. What is a program? Answer.
Бағдарлама деген не?
Bonus. What is this? Compare.
Бұл не?
What is this? With our definition question.
деген не?
What is? Word map. Build your question superpowers. What equals?
Не?
Who equals?
Кім?
Where equals?
Қайда?
Why equals?
Неге?
How equals?
Қалай?
Meaning equals.
Мағына?
Definition equals.
Анықтама?
This is equals.
Бұл.
False friend check. Don't confuse.
деген не?
What is, with.
Қалай?
How. Quick quiz. Let's lock it in with a mini test. Multiple choice. Which is, what is, in Kazakh? A.
деген не?
B.
Бұл кім?
C.
Қайда?
Answer. A. True or false.
деген не?
Means, where is. Answer. False. Listening check. You hear.
деген не?
It means, what is. Nailed it. Culture tip. A little context makes it sticky. On the Kazakh step, teachers often begin with curiosity, asking.
деген не?
Before telling a legend, try the polite museum version. Excuse me, about this.
Кешіріңіз, мынау туралы деген не?
Quote. 10-second challenge. Ready? Go. Say 3 in a row. Book, culture, program. Model.
Кітап деген не? Мәдениет деген не? Бағдарлама деген не?
Wrap up. Great job, curiosity level, expert. You learned to ask, what is, as.
деген не?
Compared it with.
Бұл не?
And practiced with quick drills. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily, keep asking.
деген не?
And visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, games, and laughs from Synapse Lingo.